Guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, and lifestyle videos, you guys. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel. Go ahead. So today, you guys, we are going to be doing a fall soft glam. For me, this is a fall soft glam. I don't know, maybe not for you, but this look was super easy. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love this look. Very achievable, but I'm not gonna hold y'all. If y'all want to see this video, definitely stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so brows are already done and we are going to be going in with the LA Pro concealer and toffee. If you are new to this channel, I like to start my eyeshadow process by applying a concealer and then setting that with a setting powder to create a blank canvas, something smooth. And we're just setting the eyes up for this eyeshadow, so I'm going to be using the Jackie Anna's palette, and the first shade I'm going to be using is the shade Ginger, and we're going to be placing this above our crease but below the brow. This is going to act as a transitional color. It's just creating like a nice shade for like brown tone women, dark skinned women. Looks absolutely gorgeous on everybody, but we're just going to be setting this eye look up, and then I'm going to be placing edges right underneath that first shade. And you guys, we're just going to be blending the eye look out. Once I have my second color on, I'm going to be going in edges. This shade is like a burgundy brown, kind of deep. We just want to create some depth, and we're going to be taking that shade and we're going to be putting underneath the second shade. I hope this is making sense, but we're just kind of going back and forth with the colors just to build the eye area up, build that crease up, and you just want to blend. So once we have those shades on, I'm going to be going in with Soleil and applying that to my lid space, and then I'm going to be going in with that second shade, Doualas, in this palette, and I'm going to be applying that on top just to give it a little bit more shimmer, a little bit more pop and color. And y'all, like, this is it. Next, I'm just blending my colors, making sure everything is nice and neat and smooth. And like I said, this is a very achievable eye look. I probably will use like 5 shades. Yeah, definitely 5 shades. This is super soft glam. I just feel like anybody, especially a beginner, can achieve this eyeshadow look. Once that shadow is on, I'm going in with this Wet n Wild black eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to be lining the top lash, and I'm also going to be lining my bottom lash a little bit later. But I want to take this small pencil brush and we're just going to be smudging this liner. I didn't want anything harsh. I didn't want to do any liquid liner because again I wanted to keep it a soft glam. So I'm just using this to smudge that black, smoke that black out, and this really like made the look like, oh my gosh, like again I did this look like 3 times and I loved it every time. I was like, okay, this could be like a go-to look. So I'm going in with my e.l.f. poreless primer. I believe that's the name. Everything will be down below for sure, but I'm applying that to my cheeks and nose area, and then I'm going to be setting that with a setting powder. So I know you're probably thinking, why so much powder? If you are new to this channel, I apply this setting powder to create like a flawless canvas. I have pores in my cheek areas, and this primer and this powder filling in those pores just gives like a clean slate. And it keeps everything kind of matte a little bit longer if you're using like a dewy foundation. I'm using the CoverGirl's matte foundation, so really this step is unnecessary, but I enjoy the results that I get in the end, so that's why I do that. So don't be scared to put a little setting powder on your face. You're going to literally like camouflage it with your foundation, so continue to watch. So I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses. This is the contour palette, you guys. I'm literally mixing an orange color corrector shade along with like this yellow beige concealer, and I'm mixing the two to make like a peachy shade, and I'm going to be using this to color correct. Like honestly, I've been enjoying color correcting. I've noticed a difference in my makeup when I color correct. Like I don't have like that shadow around my mouth and stuff, so you don't have to do this step, but color correcting really makes your look, like it makes a huge difference. So I'm going in with my what is this, my e.l.f. concealer, and I cannot remember the shade at the moment, but again I will have everything down below. I like to go in with this shade. It's just slightly lighter than my skin tone, and I like to just build my concealers as well. And I'm using this to, how can I put it, this is like the first shade. I don't want to go from my skin tone foundation to a super light concealer, so I like to go maybe a shade or two lighter for concealer first, and then I like to go in with that very brightening concealer. So basically this is a second act of like color correction, if you will. Like it gives a nice lift to the face without being too dramatic. So if you wanted to create, I'm trying to think of what to say. If you wanted to highlight your face, but you did not want to be super dramatic, again, it's a soft glam, you can leave it at this step. Like you can just go 1 to 2 shades lighter, But y'all know I'm for the dramatics. So this next concealer is also e.l.f. product, and I'm going in. As you can see, it's very light. And I just take a little bit. This is a hydrating concealer. The first one was a mattifying concealer, but I'm using this hydrating one, and I'm going to be using that like in the inner portions of my face, a little bit on the nose, and this is just going to wake the inner portions of my face up, and it's just going to give me a nice little lift. Like you can see, I don't know, it just does something super different that I like. It definitely enhances your features. So you can put this on where you will naturally highlight instead of doing like a shimmer highlighter. You can definitely go in with just a lighter powder or just a lighter concealer, and it would just gives you like a nice Botox lift of the face. Once the concealers are in place, you are ready to set this face. Please set the face, especially if you're an oily girl. Like y'all already know, if being oily, honey, you be just greasy, looking like you just threw some chicken grease all over your face. But I love to use this Fit Me powder, and this is not a setting powder. This is a Lord, what do you call it? A finishing powder. I recently started doing this. I enjoy the results, but it can give flashback. I ain't gonna lie. And you have to spray it and get it all together. But I love this step. Like, look at the face. Look at this girl. Then I like to go in with my Black Radiance setting powder as well, and that's in the shade Banana. I'm going in with that right now, and I know I look crazy. I know I look like I just finished making a cake, but y'all, don't knock it till you try it. I also enjoy setting my brows. This creates soft brows. This keeps your brows from becoming oily, and it's just, bruh, this whole face is a vibe. Like, girl, my makeup routine right now, I'm on another level. This is unmatched. So all I'm doing here is applying liner to the lower lash line, and I'm just going to be applying the shades I applied on my eyelids. So that burgundy, that orange, that ginger color, we're just going to be applying that to the bottom lash to kind of close in the look, like lock everything in, make it look nice and cohesive. And then I'm just taking some mascara and applying that. I did lashes off camera. I always do lashes off camera, y'all. It just takes a little while, but I'm just spraying my face with that e.l.f. spray that I love so much, and this is just going to help knock the dust off the face, like, so we won't look so cakey, so powdery. I like to use a spray or like a dewy spray to just try to make everything like melt. And I'm just popping a shimmer. I'm sure it's Soleil. And I'm popping that in the inner corners to wake my eyes up a little bit. Just kind of make everything look super nice. And we're just going to be applying that to the cupid's bow, the chin, the nose. And I think I also applied a little bit to my cheekbone area. But y'all, yeah, like this is the face. Like, girl, I'm proud of me. I really am. Like, y'all, unmatched. You can't tell me nothing. It's unmatched, y'all. It's just unmatched. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this face. This is like my third time doing this look, and I wanted to show you guys because I thought it was super cute and it's easy. So let me know what you think down in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell and click all to see my future uploads. This is all I have for you guys, and as always, I will see y'all in my next video.